Hello and welcome. Thank you so much for being a part of Buses for Homeless Networking and Charity online event. In this video, we are going to learn about how you can log into the event page and how you can create your or manage your virtual booth dashboard. First of all, our team member is going to send you an email which is going to contain all the details about the size of the creatives that you can upload in your booth, how you can log into the event page, what is the code that you are going to use to log into the event page. So let's get going with this. First of all, use your registered email ID to enter on this page. You can use your email ID. Now, every time you log in, you will receive a custom OTP on your email. However, you can use a custom code over here, which is London Bus, which includes B in caps and L in caps as well. Once you have done that, click on the continue button over here. You can also skip the password. Once you do that, you will land up on the reception page where you can see the details of the event. Since the event is in setup, so you will see more the details closer to the date. On the top right hand corner, you have the details of your profile. You can click on that drop down and here you can edit your profile where you can upload your image and your company details, as well as you can manage your booth dashboard. So you are going to be added to a virtual booth, which is your organization's virtual booth, and then you will be a team member over there. Now all you need to do is click on this manage dashboard button and you will land up on this particular page where you can edit your booth profile. You can upload the logo for the booth. You can edit the name for the booth. You can add a description. You can add a contact email ID. You can add the phone numbers, address, social links. You can also upload a brochure. So you can upload almost up to 10 files over here, which can be in the formats which is written like PDF, .ppt, doc or docx format. You can also add a custom CTA. CTA is going to be a call to action button, which can be linked with a URL. So every time a user clicks on that, they will be taken onto the URL as well. You can also add a spotlight banner, which can be a spotlight image or spotlight video, or you can choose to add none of these, but it is recommended to add an image or a video at least. You can also upload a listing banner image. Once you have done that, save the changes. Should you wish, you can navigate to the exhibitors page to see the changes. First, we will cover the rest of the part. Now, the team members can be added by the organizers to your booth. So in case you need to get the team members added, you can contact the organizers for the event. You can go ahead and add the images under the product and services. For example, if you have an image to display, you can go ahead and upload an image. The size will be mentioned in the email that will be sent to you. You can choose to upload the details of the image as well. So you can put a title for that image. You can put the description for the image. You can also add a button label and button URL. Again, the URL acts like a CTA, which is a call to action button, and it will redirect the users to the page that you have added the link for. Similarly, you can go ahead and add product videos where you can click on add video, and here you will be able to caption the video. You have three options. You can use a YouTube link, you can use a Vimeo link, or a Youko link. Youko is something which works in China. However, mainly you are going to use YouTube or a Vimeo link. In case you are adding a Vimeo link, make sure you add /embed over there. For example, if I have to show you a Vimeo link, so I click on this one, something like this at the end of the video. And once you have done that, click on the add button and the video will be added to the booth. You can add 20 product images and you can add 20 product videos. You can also see the analytics of the booth, which will contain who has clicked on the CTA button that you have added, how many views you had, how many chats you had, if there is a one-to-one meeting scheduled or not, how many lounge meetings you had for your virtual booth. And you can also choose to export the file from here itself. Now, to see the changes and to see how your virtual booth looks exactly, you need to navigate to the exhibitors page. And this how your virtual booth is going to look like. This is the large space, and these are the medium spaces, and these are the small spaces. All you need to do over here is, so in the backdrop which you see is a listing page banner. All you need to do here is click on this logo and you will land inside the booth. Here you have the meet option, you have the chat option, you have the share your details option. With the share your details option, you will be able to receive the business cards from the attendees where they can go ahead and share their details. On the left hand side, you will have the logo of your booth. You will have the social links that you have added. You will have the contact details right over here in the get in touch section, along with the address that you have added. Now, take a demo of our platform is something like a CTA that we have added right now. So if somebody clicks on that, it will redirect them to the URL that is there. You can also see the product videos that you have added over here, and then you will be able to do the product and services. Also, the people, which means the team member who have been tagged in the booth, are available right in this particular section. So that's all about how your exhibitor profile is going to look like, which is your virtual booth is going to look like, and how you can manage it. Again, click on the top right hand corner, and on the right hand side you will be able to see the manage dashboard button with your organization's name on that. So that's all about how to manage your virtual booth. In case you have any queries, please feel free to reach out to us via the email that has been sent to you. Thank you so much. Have a good day.